Gonna get some new lights for the garage. I just ordered them. So I'm gonna paint the ceiling white. I already did the walls probably 6 months ago. So while I'm gonna do the lights, I'm getting those hexagon lights, so I'm gonna end up covering most of the ceiling, or a lot of it. I figured I might as well paint. That's the difference. I just barely put a coat on. Should brighten it up a little in here too. It's got roller. Got about 2.5 gallons of paint left, so see how far I can get. Got 2 coats on. It's the same paint as the wall. I bought 5 gallons of it. And I painted the walls not too long ago. I think I mentioned that already, but it's dark out now. Took me about 2 hours. I put 2 coats on. I had to, take all the bikes off. I have them hooked up over there. I took all my license plates off the border up there. I ended up painting that. And I had 2 lights hanging there. I took those down. I got paint all over me. There's my mess. I have to scrape all that crap off later. I'll wait till it dries and take a razor blade and scrape it off. The lights showed up. Oh. Box in a box. I got the Hyperlite Hexagon style lights. The kit I got has 22 hexagons. I'm gonna see if I can maybe separate them into 2 different 11 sections. I have a 2-car garage. This side has really nothing in the way. This side is my attic entrance. So I'm gonna have to try to work around that, I think. I'm not sure how big the setup is. Maybe I can just put it in the center. I'm not sure. And then I have this light hanging up, and I took 2 other ones down. I have them over there. I'm probably gonna actually end up mounting those, maybe like one on the side, so I have some light on the side. We're gonna unbox it here and see what came in the box. Maybe I'll 2 separate kits, right? Okay, cool. Yes, perfect. So all the connectors, the different ends, come with screws, the plug. Looks like it plugs in directly there. So there's 2 of them. Stacy just said it looks like we could do two separate kits if we wanted to separate them. And then there's the light. Pretty light. Get it? It's lightweight. Yeah. Okay.
And be careful. Light bars with connectors.
Okay. Couldn't see that. So it looks like you slide it in here. Oh, there's a little clip here though. I'm not going to push it all the way in. And then there's a hole right there. So we'll probably set it up and do, I assume, one grid at a time, and then install it on the ceiling as we go, screwing it in and then pushing in the actual light. So we're going to try to do 2 sections of 11, which we measured out. It's 10 foot by 7. I kind of marked it on the floor. It says to pre-fit everything and plug it in. I'm going to put it on time lapse while we try to figure it out. So the kit I bought has 22 hexagons. It does have 2 plugs, but I don't have enough of these to do 2 separate. I was going to do this here and then another one there, but I have to connect all of them together. So that's the new plan. I was hoping, I don't know if I could just order these separate, but I think we'll just end up connecting. So we have a bunch of these. Anyways, I'm gonna have my wife plug it in. We'll see how bright it is. Ooh, that's gonna be nice. They all work. Cool. Now I need to mount the wheels on the back of the Beetle, jack it up, and roll it out so we can have room. I also got these ramps to help because the Beetle's going to be so low. I'm actually going to stick the ramp. These are super low profile. Let's keep it up in the air a little bit because if I lower it down, I probably won't be able to get the jack out. So we'll see if these work well. I'll put the link in my description. Got the car down. It's a little sketchy. We ended up putting my 1950s creeper down there, hold up the front end, and the back's all the way down. So now we're just gonna kind of wedge it out a little and finish the lights. Quick update. Got it all assembled here. So here's the picture of the grid. And they want you to, since there's 84 of these, you have to plug in 2 different plugs. One, it says here, and one here for the wattage, I guess. I don't know. I had just one plugged in and these were all connected and it did turn on, but I don't know if it just can't handle the wattage. Not sure. So I just separated it there. I got one plug here, one plug over there, and it lights up. I do have 2 extra connectors and 1 extra light. So I'll connect that somewhere. Definitely going to use it. So why not? I shoved the Beetle out. Sketchy with no front end on it. But now I got it out enough to shut the garage. And we can start doing some measuring here. Where to put it. I don't know if I can go around that or not. We're gonna find out. Excited. It's gonna be bright, hopefully. Right on. That's the setup we came up with. So I'm gonna start with this one and mount it. And then we're gonna go that way down. I'm gonna have to take out, I think, 3 or 4 of these, but we're gonna do that once we get there. We're gonna start with this row first and then go from there. We got 3 up so far. It's going pretty smooth. We kind of have a decent system going. Just taking it apart on there, 1 grid at a time, and then just connecting it to there. So you got to put the molly screw in. So you got to put it up there first, drill the holes, pull it down, put the molly screw in. These, then put it back up there, and then screw the screw into the hole. So it's a little bit of a process, but it's not too bad. I'm glad I got my wife helping me, because I'd be going up and down the ladder a million times. That would suck. Oh no. There we go. 1 more. Let's see if I can do it from here. Okay. Right on. So this is what we came up with. That was our workaround, because we got to the door here and we couldn't do any more, so we kind of just made one go that way, which worked out good. Perfect. What's going on with the lights, Rogue? So we got only the garage lights that I had before on right now. I'm gonna flip it off, and I got my wife and my daughter here. They're gonna plug in the lights. I'm gonna turn off the main lights though. So here it is, dark. Go ahead and turn them on, ladies. Ooh.
Whoa. Really bright.
Much brighter, and I'll turn the garage lights on too.
They don't make a difference.
And it's way brighter in here. Happy with it.
But turn off the okay?
So there was only so many of these brackets, and then there was that elbow there. So it came with these 3 and that one. I had to go around this. So this is kind of how we made it work. And you have to have 1 open to plug the wire in. So we had all the extra ones, we kind of just lined up And then this one, I put the plug in, I ran the wire down. And then,
I got taller.
yes. And then I got all these just kind of looping around. It's kind of sagging here. I'm gonna go on their website, see if they, maybe if I could just order maybe the brackets. Maybe I can mount just the ends. So it's not, so the light's not sagging down a little to mount them. Here we're getting the bug back in and jacked back up. I ended up going on Amazon and I got a 2 hexagon kit. So I'm gonna try to complete the sides on the left-hand side of the garage there. And that way those lights aren't just sagging down.